couple of perfumes I bought, and I'm like, you know what? I have a couple of perfumes I bought, and I'm like, you know what? Let me do an unboxing first impression video. I have a lot of perfume to unbox for you guys. Here are the perfumes. I don't want this video to be too long. Let me do an unboxing first impression video. I have a lot of perfume to unbox for you guys. Here are the perfumes. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going to smell and tell you if I like it or not. So I'm not going to do anything serious. The first perfume I want to unbox today is Light Blue Forever by Dolce & Gabbana. I tried to get like a small scissors, but I could not find my small scissors, so I brought this gigantic scissors. I'm just going to snip this open. I'm not reviewing them, I'm just doing first impression, but I like the bottle sharp. Oh, okay. It has the DNA of light blue intense, but it's more bitterness in this one for the opening, okay? There's more bitterness, but I will leave this to dry down, then I'll come back to it later. The second one I'm going to unbox is Jazzy. And the Jazzy is by Lattafa. I like the bottle of this one. It's simple but heavy. I like the bottle. Okay, I smell something nice. And this one is a fresh perfume. It's citrusy and aquatic and aromatic at the top. Yeah, but I'll leave it to settle. I'll come back for the dry down. For now, I like it. The next perfume I'm unboxing is Oud Satin, and it's by Ministry of Oud. This bottle is heavy, man. What? Am I really smelling something wood? Of course, it's satin wood. What do you expect? It smells really familiar. It smells really familiar. I'll come back for the dry down. Next one, Amer by Lattafa. Let me just open this up and see what's in it. Okay. So I have the green one of this one. I tried to see if I can buy the brown one, but the brown one was scarce everywhere. I couldn't find it too, but I found this one. So let's see what this one smells like. The bottle is actually very gorgeous, the velvet bottle. This one has that DNA of the green one. What I would say about this perfume is that it's different, just like the green one. It's not like a regular kind of perfume you just smell. It is a different kind of perfume. It's a different kind of scent, which is why I really like this Al Noble line, because they are not like the everyday kind of perfume. I'll drop it like the others and then I'll come back for the dry down. Next, this is Hayati Gold Elixir by Lattafa. This is what I think about it. I almost dropped it. Oh my god. I like this one. I like it. We'll come back for the dry down. So I have unboxed 5. It's remaining Saheeb by Al Zafaran and Club de Nuit Iconic. What should I do first? Let's do this one. Okay. I like the packaging. I like the bottle as well. The cap reminds me of Ajwad by Latafa. Yeah. What? This one is intoxicating. I like it. It smells like a male perfume. Yes, but I like it. I'll come back to this. I like it. For the last but not the least, I have Club the Nuit Iconic by Amor. Do you know how long I've waited to lay my hands on this iconic? For some reason I could not get it, but now I have it now. So let's see what it smells like. I just hope I'm not disappointed. I don't like the bottle. I don't like the bottle. It looks too playful. The design here looks too playful. I don't like it. I don't like the design, but let's see what the juice smells like. Ooh, the atomizer is good though. Giving me the vibe of Dior Sauvage and Bleu de Chanel. I think I'm liking it. I'm getting more of Bleu de Chanel now. I think I like it. I like it. It's a masculine, fresh scent. I like it. Now let's go to the dry down. First one I unboxed was Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Forever. Now it smells more bitter. I'm not sure about this perfume. Maybe I will like it eventually, but for now I'm not feeling it. Second one, Ijazi. What? I liked it when I sprayed it first, but now I'm struggling to get it. I like the top notes, but the performance of this one is not great. Since I cannot smell, it's barely how many minutes? 20 minutes, and I'm struggling to get it on paper. Why? There's a question mark there for performance for this. The next one I unboxed is, I told you this was familiar. It smells like MFK's Oud Satin Mood. It also smells like Barakat's Satin Oud by Fragrance World, and it's very strong. Okay, I won't say it's a fantastic perfume because it smells like other perfumes. But what I would say is I'm indifferent about it. I know for sure that it's strong with the oud. Okay, so this one is Amer Latafa, and is one of the Al Noble's collection. Like I said at the opening, what I'm getting at the opening is still what I'm getting right now, but a little bit drier. The opening was more aromatic and citrus. Right now I'm getting aromatic, citrus, and sweet. I think I like the dry down. The reason is because they are not like the regular kind of perfume you smell. Because most perfumes, when you smell some perfume, it's just like you're smelling different perfumes, you know, all over again. Like you smell this and then you smell another perfume, it's smelling like something you already have. You're buying different kind of bottles of perfumes you already have. So that's one of the things I don't really like about some of these perfumes. But when I get a perfume that is different from other perfumes, other scent profiles, I really appreciate it. So this one I really like. This one is Hayati Gold Elixir, and it's by Latafa. I liked it, yes, at the opening and the dry down. It was like a floral scent with a little fruitiness. If you want me to review any of these perfumes I just unboxed in this video, let me know, and then I will bring you a full review about these perfumes. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just, you know, sniffing and telling you if I like it or not, if it's a yes or a miss for me. Saheeb by Al Zafran. So this is the dry down. Oh, I like this perfume. It smells like a unisex perfume but leans more masculine. I will rock this perfume without even thinking twice. So why are people not talking about this Saheeb? And for the last one, this one is Club the Nuit Iconic. I like the dry down. So I unboxed 7 perfumes. The one I like the least is this one, and this is Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Forever. I'm sure there are people who will like this perfume because of that bitterness it has, but for me, for now, it's not something I like. Maybe I will grow to like it, okay? But my first impression about this one, I really not like it. This is a male perfume actually. This is for home. Maybe that's why I don't like it. Next to it is this one, Satin Oud. I like it less. The reason I like it less is because it smells like other perfumes that I have smelled, so I say there is nothing special about it, and that is why I don't really like it like that. I like this one, but it smells like, I've smelled a lot of fresh perfume lately. It smells like something I have smelled before. That is why I'm not like crazy about Ijazi by Latafa. It is fresh, it is clean, but it's not a blow my mind kind of perfume. I like it, but I'm not crazy about it. The ones I really like are, I like Hayati Gold Elixir by Latafa. It has the right amount of floral, right amount of sweetness, right amount of everything in this perfume. It does not smell like all these female perfumes that you just smell like, this smells like this one. It has a different smell. That is why I like this one. I like this one, this Iconic, even though I don't like the design on the bottle, but I like it. It is like a combination of Bleu de Chanel and Dior Sauvage. It's fresh, it is clean, but smells like that fresh perfume with a much more depth. That is why I like this one. Okay, and the one I like the most is between this one and it's a tie actually. I like these two the most. Out of all the perfumes I unboxed today, I like these two the most, and the reason is because they are not smelling like every other perfume. This is why I like these two perfumes. So if you have watched to this point, thank you so much for sticking with me through this video. If you want me to review any of this perfume, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. If you have any question, you have any suggestion, any recommendation, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. Till I see you in my next video, my name is Gloria, and I'll catch you in the next one.